Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to be showing you how to remove PayPal from Discord. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end and follow my steps correctly so you can make sure that this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So first things first, you'll be greeted by this homepage once you open up the official PayPal website. So what you want to do is open up the official paypal.com website right here, after which you're going to log in. So go ahead and log into your account that is connected to Discord that you want to disconnect, and after logging in, you'll be greeted by this homepage right here. So this is going to be your homepage where you can take a look at your PayPal balance, you have your recent activity, you can take a look at options for sending, requesting money, and so on. And now we can get started. So basically we have two ways. Either we can directly remove PayPal from Discord directly in the Discord application or from PayPal. If you want to remove a payment method from Discord, here on the official support Discord website, we have an article showing us the steps. What you're going to do is open up your settings in Discord. Then you're going to go into your user settings and click billing. In the billing section, you can click edit to go ahead and edit all the payment methods that you're using. And after that, you can find the PayPal payment method that is connected and remove it from Discord. And it's easy as that. So once you remove it, it's no longer going to be connected. But if you want to remove it directly from PayPal, what you can do is go right here into your settings option. Go ahead and click on your settings in the upper right corner, and after clicking settings, it's going to open up your settings menu right here. This is going to be your settings menu where you can go ahead and manage your account settings, your security settings, data and privacy, and so on. And what we're looking for is this option right here, permissions you've given. So by opening up permissions you've given, you'll be able to take a look at all the connected permissions you have to your PayPal account. So once you have go ahead and open up the list, you can go ahead and find the Discord permission, and from there you can just remove Discord. And with that guys, your PayPal is no longer going to have permission to connect to Discord, and it's going to be removed from Discord. And that's how you can go and remove PayPal from Discord. Those are the two ways. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. So you guys, thank you for watching, take care and bye.